KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Damn, this damn indicator been going off in my video and y'all ain't said nothing to me. Oh my god. Alright, I'll be back. Let me do this intro all over again because that indicator sound was going off in the video and I did not realize. I'm so sorry guys. Anyways, Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I did not plan to vlog. Honestly, it just came to mind while I was driving, like, okay, you're going to this place, just vlog it. Maybe somebody wants to try this if they see your video. So yeah, that's what I decided to do because I did not prepare for this. As you can see, my hair is a hot mess. My dress code is just whatever. It's just a chill day for me. I took the day off today because I had a doctor's appointment and also I went to the post office, got some errands done and stuff like that, and I'm just in like a, it's like one of those moody days for me where I'm not feeling it. Usually people come on here vlogging because they're, you know, in that mood, happy, excited. Hey, honestly, I'm not really feeling it, but trying to be strong. I'm trying to be strong for my KK squad. So I'm in that mood and I said, what's the best thing to try right now when you're in this mood? So I remember my co-worker telling me about this place that serves ice cream with alcohol. Where they do that at? Which part them do that? I'll wait. Anyways, so I was like, alright, I'm in that mood, so maybe I just need to grab some ice cream with a little vodka. That won't hurt nobody, right? But anyways guys, don't mind my hair and all that stuff. When I get back home from all this extra stuff I've been doing on the road, I'm gonna get my hair done, which you guys will see in the next video. Anyways, I'm just gonna take you guys with me to this place. It's like a nitrogen ice cream place where frostbite, I forgot the name. I'm gonna vlog it, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Hopefully there's no music inside. If there's music, I won't be talking in there because I don't want no copyright claim from those music and stuff like that. So I will just record and just show you guys around and what they do and how they make the ice cream and stuff like that. So I guess it's only one location, this ice cream place, because when I google it, that's the only one popped up, and it's here in South Florida, Davie, Florida. So it's close to where I work, and I was like, all right, it's far from where I live but close to where I live. Far from where I live but close to where I work. Ignore that. I'm having one of those days, like I said. But anyways, I'm not gonna let my day stay this way, that moody. Yeah, I gotta get this ice cream with that vodka, boost up my energy, come back to you guys, show you guys what's up. Listen, we gonna make this a good day. We gonna make this a good day off, because I never get like a day off where I'm like, alright, it's a chill. No, I'm always doing something. But I'm gonna finish the day with this ice cream, come back to Publix, shop at Publix, cooking school. There's a cooking school at Publix. Ain't no promotion, but that's what it says, cooking school. Anyways, I could finish off the day with a banger, with some good vibes, good energy, good everything, because I've been feeling like this all morning and it's now 5:35. So yeah, I just want to finish the day in a good vibes. I'm thankful for another day, but we all have those days where, those off days, you get what I'm saying? It's just one of those days. Let's go, come on. Oh, now we up and get up now. Now come off. You in the yellow shirt, get up. Come sit down right us in the passenger seat. We're going. You in a yellow shirt, me see you. And you in a black shirt, you sit down and laugh. Come get the ice cream. And you know you want. Not me, no. Me have a black shirt, but I me attack. Cause you know see me a laugh. You over there in a black shirt, you laugh. Come, you know you want the ice cream. And you in a yellow shirt, just stop. Don't be in that mood that I'm in. In a fit you. So let's just head there right now and see what's this place about. BRB. So guys, if I sound weird, sorry, it's the mask, but we are here. This is what it's called, frostbite ice cream, and we are here. So let's see what they have. you so
just be
much.
careful. It is a little bit loose over here.
Oh, okay.
So just be careful.
Alright, awesome.
If it gets too loose, just let me know and I'll replace it.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you so much. Alright. How pretty is this? It's infused with Baileys and vodka. Oh my goodness. Look at it. In a martini cup. Guys, it's melting, so I have to hurry up and eat it. But it look Baileys and vodka. Talk to me. Yo, I'm so bad at vlogging. Like, I don't know how people vlog and do this. Like, I'm trying to eat, I'm trying to vlog. I don't know what to tell you guys right now, but it tastes good. So as you can see, the gold cone, it's chocolate ice cream, by the way, with I think it's like brownies on top and that cookie. I don't know, but I know it tastes good and it's cheap. It's not bad, you know. It's not bad. I thought it would be more. So you could ask, you could get 2 shots, 3 shots, but I know it's ton up. It tastes really good. It tastes so good. I was in a very bleaky mood, but this made my day. I'm not lie, this made my day. Yeah, the guy next to me in his car looking at me. It's fine, it's cool. This is what we do, right? We vlog. So people are gonna stare like, why is she talking to herself on her phone? I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to my KK squad. Yeah. But I think he's Jamaican too. He's white, but he has the Jamaican things in his car, his license plate Jamaican, all that stuff. So that's cool, that's fine. You know what we do, how we do it. Alright guys, update. Don't be like me and get this big martini glass. Even though it's not big, but get the small one. Don't be greedy like me. Cause the small one is actually cheaper. But guess what? I don't even reach halfway in this. And I think I'm over it. Yeah. You ever hear them say too much of one thing don't good? This is it. This is it right here. Too much of one thing don't good. It tastes good, but me can't do too much of it. Maybe somebody else, because I see everybody buy it and eat it off. I'm just a tiny little 5 feet 2 inches girl. Weigh 125. Sorry guys. Got caught up by some hot girls cause I see it every day. Oh, they work at this pizza place. Okay. Alright, hot girls. Hot girl shit. But not lie though. One thing I can say, I wasn't like I said earlier, the mood wasn't there. The good mood wasn't there. But this bring it back. Hopefully it stay there for the rest of the day. Don't get me wrong, I'm thankful. I'm thankful for the day. I'm thankful, you know, for life and everything. But we all have those days where it's just not your day. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this little clip. I am about to go to Publix to grab some groceries. I don't think I'll be vlogging in Publix. I like to concentrate on what I'm getting because I don't want to reach home and I'm like, oh, I forgot this. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna go to Publix and I'm gonna head home and get this hair done. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comment if you've tried it before or if you're going to try it, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.